In this video, we'll demonstrate how to read WhatsApp messages without the sender knowing. But before we dive into the main content, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this helpful WhatsApp trick, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started. To read WhatsApp messages without the sender knowing, follow these steps. Open your WhatsApp application. You'll see the familiar tabs for chats, status, and calls. Click on Settings, typically located in the bottom right corner. In the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy. Now, you'll see the Read Receipts option. This feature is responsible for indicating to the sender that you've read their message. By disabling it, you can read messages in stealth mode. Simply turn off the Read Receipts toggle switch. Once you do this, you'll be able to read messages without triggering the read receipt for the sender. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more useful tutorials and helpful content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and keep your WhatsApp messages private. And remember, you can find more tutorials at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com.